Hello, everyone. We're going to get started in just a couple of minutes. Give a few more for some people to join. Oh, oh, we'll get started in about 2 minutes. To anyone just joining, we're going to get started in about another minute. Just letting a few more people join, and then we'll kick it off. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's webinar on the top requirements of a product information management or PIM solution. I'm Ellen Martin, and I'm a data services project manager at Convergence Data. Convergence has a team of over 200 data experts, and we have spent more than 20 years providing Convergence PIM solutions and data services. Today, I'm excited to share with you some essential insights into choosing the right PIM solution for your business. This is the first webinar in a series that we'll be hosting, so be sure to tune in to learn more about managing your product data. Let's go ahead and dive in. So why does a product information management system matter? The right PIM can truly transform your business by streamlining your product data management and enhancing your ability to go to market quickly and efficiently. I've broken down some of the top requirements that I think you should consider as you evaluate your PIM needs. First and foremost, a robust PIM system should act as a single source of truth for all your product data. This means providing a centralized repository for managing all product-related information, such as categories, descriptions, specifications, relationships, and more. This centralized approach ensures consistency, cleanliness, completeness, and conciseness across all channels. Imagine moving away from scattered offline spreadsheets to a live database with real-time project tracking and SKU visibility. This not only reduces errors, but also makes your data more reliable and actionable. Next, ease of use is critical. A PIM system should empower various team members and not just IT professionals to manage and update product data. Product managers and other key personnel should be able to act as data stewards who can enrich product data effortlessly by adding attributes, categories, and digital assets. The platform should also offer tools for governance, normalizing data formats, and ensuring compliance with style guides, industry standards, and regulations. This user-friendly approach ensures that your data remains up to date and consistent without bottlenecks. Working with data at scale is another crucial requirement. The ideal PIM solution should support both product and parts data across the enterprise, from sourcing to e-commerce, marketing, channel sales, and aftermarket, supporting a digital thread approach. You want to bridge the gap between engineering and marketing by managing technical attributions for parts from an enterprise PLM system. Advanced PIM platforms, like our Convergence PIM, should offer essential tools for QA, such as bulk data validation, duplicate detection, and data cleansing, allowing you to maintain high data quality across the organization. Process flows should support the way that you do business. A good PIM system offers configurable process flows for various activities like acquisition onboarding, legacy data conversions, new part or product creation, and data approval. These process flows ensure that only accurate, complete, and approved product data is published and disseminated, aligning with your style guide and supporting the governance rules defined by your business needs. This level of customization ensures that your PIM system adapts to your specific business processes. Integration with ERP systems is another must-have feature. This integration synchronizes product data across the organization, streamlining processes related to inventory management, order fulfillment, and customer service. By having a seamless connection between your PIM and ERP, you ensure that all your systems are working together efficiently, reducing redundancies and improving overall business operations. Now, for manufacturers, multi-channel distribution is vital. Your PIM should be able to support the distribution of product information across multiple sales channels, including e-commerce websites, marketplaces, catalogs, and print materials. Integrations with e-commerce and syndication platforms, along with your ERP and other enterprise systems, streamline data distribution processes, ensuring that your product information is consistent and up to date across all channels. In today's global market, localization, translation, and multi-region support are more important than ever. A PIM should support these efforts by managing product data in multiple languages, currencies, and regions. Features for managing translated product descriptions and specifications ensure that your product information is accurate and culturally relevant, no matter where in the world your customers are located. Analytics and reporting capabilities are also essential, especially for tracking key performance indicators related to product data management. Metrics such as data completeness, accuracy, and time to market provide valuable insights that can help you optimize your product information processes and improve overall efficiency. Important to remember, you can't measure what you don't track. Flexible data modeling capabilities allow you to define custom product attributes, categories, and hierarchies to suit your specific needs, especially for complex products with large amounts of detail and specifications. Advanced PIMs should be able to support multiple hierarchies, such as a product hierarchy and web navigation hierarchy, and give you the option to multi-classify items. This flexibility ensures that your PIM system can accommodate the unique aspects of your product portfolio, supporting your business as it grows and evolves. So, lastly, scalability and customization are crucial for accommodating the growing needs of your business. A scalable PIM can support large and complex product catalogs, intricate data structures, and custom process flows. You want to have a PIM that can support products with large numbers of attributes just as adeptly as it manages products with just a handful. A solution that is both flexible and scalable will support businesses of all sizes and across many industries, ensuring that your PIM system grows alongside your business. Ultimately, you want to choose a solution that will flexibly adapt to your business. Your enterprise PIM should not require you to force fit your business operations to adhere to a one size fits all software. So, in conclusion, selecting the right PIM solution involves considering a range of features tailored to your business needs. A robust PIM system, like Convergence PIM, provides a centralized data repository, offers ease of use, scalability, and advanced features like multi channel distribution and integration with ERP, PLM, and other systems. By investing in a comprehensive PIM solution, you can ensure that your product data is consistent, accurate, and actionable across all your business channels. If you're interested in learning more about how Convergence Data PIM can manage large volumes of complex data at scale, ingest and manage data from other upstream sources, streamline and support your company's unique processes, offer insightful analytics, and drive consistency across your business, all within a single configurable platform, we can discuss how we can support your team's key requirements and make your digital transformation as seamless and productive as possible and accelerate your path to revenue generation. All right, so at this time, I want to see if there are any questions. I know that there are a couple of questions we've gotten so far. Okay, so the first one I see here, what is your perspective on handling data sources that are accessed externally, such as data from industry associations, and should those be managed? So that's an excellent question. And this is a critical point for many companies in e-commerce, product marketing, and aftermarket spaces. It's important to remember here, not every PIM platform in the industry has the capability to integrate these upstream data sources and aggregate them to create a more holistic attribute profile. So our solution, Convergence PIM, in addition to acting as a single source of truth for product data, is designed specifically to help ingest data from industry associations, the ERP, external component data subscriptions, offline spreadsheets, and other sources. So we'd be happy to chat with you more about that. Okay. Another question I see, what advice do you have for a team that is looking to move off their current PIM? So that's a really, really good question. It's a very common challenge that we see. We recommend addressing the product data quality and completeness of the data as soon as you can. Ideally, address it before you migrate to a new platform. Chances are, if your team is looking to deplatform and migrate to another PIM solution, the old platform didn't allow you to make the edits and flexibly manage the data model. If you migrate your legacy data into a new platform without addressing the data cleansing and transformation first, then essentially you're just moving the data mess from one PIM to another. That's going to negatively impact things like item findability, product relationships, and your team's overall ability to take advantage of the features of the new platform. We have an offering actually called a Smart Switch that is tailored for this specific challenge and will help your team to address your data both pre-flight and in-flight to ensure that you are set up for success throughout the migration process and beyond. So definitely reach out to us for more information regarding that. And let's see, I do see another question coming in. So can PIM work without internal part numbers? Um, so in a PIM, every SKU or product does need some kind of unique identifier that is going to allow you to reference that product record, right? So whether that's an internal part number issued by your company or whether it's a purchase part or a product like a manufacturer part number. Anytime you have parts and product data in the system, you do need to reference it with that identifier. So the main thing to avoid is establishing um, conflicting part numbers. You don't want to rationalize external part numbers. Um, so you want to avoid duplication, right? You want to make sure that you're kind of following a consistent process. You don't want to have manufacturer part number that conflicts with your internal part number, but that's something that in data services we can kind of help you figure out. All right, great questions. Um, okay. Think that is all the time we have for questions for today. Thank you so much for joining today's webinar on the top requirements of a PIM solution. I hope you found the information helpful and insightful. As I said, this is just the first in our series of webinars on product information management, so be sure to follow us on LinkedIn and subscribe to our newsletter for details. Again, if you have any further questions or want to learn more about our Convergence PIM software, please feel free to reach out. Have a great day and happy data managing. Bye, everybody.